All right, this is the VIIVRIA Power Smart Devices, and I use this device to connect my Nest doorbell to an outlet without having to mess with the existing chime. So if you're someone that has one of these doorbells, and I'm going to show you the one that I have exactly. It's the Nest 2K wired third generation. So this is the cable, this is the connector, and I'll soon show you what it looks like. All right, that's the existing old doorbell. I don't want to mess with the chime on it. That's the top one is the actual third generation. On the back of it, you just basically see that view okay. That's the connector. Then you connect the wire, and I have it all the way going down. And if you do it smart enough, you can do it so that you don't have to drill any holes all the way back down to the outlet. Battery powered without messing with your existing chime, which I think for some people that might come in handy, or you might find that useful.